Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a Instagram pics my makeup. I just wanted to include you guys. I love hearing your guys' thoughts and opinions. So I have no idea what kind of eye look I'm going to do today. I'm just gonna roll with it, let it happen, and see what we come up with. Hopefully I don't end up looking like a prostitute. So here we go. I am going to use a new e.l.f. primer though, and this is the Beauty Shield, I said that weird, Beauty Shield SPF 50. As always, gonna dip it into my little stippling brush. Oh, I have a stain on my shirt. Why? Alright. So this is like kind of a thicker consistency. Like you can see, I would probably not wear this by itself. You can tell that because it's so thick, it like kind of like bottles up, I guess. Is that the right word? Like where it looks like you're wearing foundation or something, but it's like starting to come off and it's like on your nose. That's kind of what it looks like. I asked you guys if you wanted me to use, I asked if you guys wanted to use the Jacqueline palette or if you wanted to use Huda Beauty, and you guys said Huda. So did I say that right? Huda? I don't know. I don't know how she says that, but you guys chose Huda. So we're gonna do it. Zing. Boom, boom, boom. Blazing. I'm actually going to take Blazing, like I just said, which is super annoying. And I'm gonna pop that onto my crease. Then I'm gonna take the color Cosmo right here. So my Huda Beauty palette is like the older one. She like redid it and like made it with like new formulas or whatever, because their like fallout's pretty bad and gets a little crusty. So I'm gonna have to deal with that. So if you have the new Huda Beauty one, you probably won't have to work as hard as I'm gonna have to work. And I'm gonna pop Cosmo, kind of like flick it away so you get less fallout, and I'm gonna pop that onto my lids. See how it's already like crazy falling? So one thing I hate about this palette. And I feel like Cosmo is absolutely the worst with the fallout, so I don't know why I chose that one. I do it all the time. I'm gonna take a little amber right here. And I'm gonna stamp it the most right here on the outside. And then what I'm gonna do is, as I have less on my brush, bring it in, because that's gonna give it like a little bit of a fade and like a diffuse factor to it. So for my Cool Sharp line thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this Too Faced Melted Metallic, and I'm going to take like a really tiny brush. All right, here goes nothing. Wish me luck. See how I'm drawing like a slight outline? Basically gonna kind of go really light and just kind of follow my crease. Kind of like that. And just keep following the same steps until it's as dark as you want it to be. Make sure you keep your head tilt back as well. That way you can see what you're doing much easier. And your skin is more pulled back so that it doesn't crease while it dries. And then flick it at the end. Like a little whoop. That way it has that more of that flow. CoverGirl matte. So you guys voted for Too Faced Peach. So I'm gonna put that on my skin as I always do. And then I asked you guys if you wanted me to use Shape Tape or Born This Way. You guys picked Born This Way, so I'm going to do what I always do. I'm going to take Almond to under here, and then sand for my contour, and then I'm just going to blend it all out, as always. And then I asked if you guys wanted me to use Ame bronzer or if you wanted me to do Shade and Light. So you guys voted Shade and Light. So I'm going to take the middle one, start warming my face up. If you're new to this channel and you're not totally sure how to do this or how I normally do it, you guys can check out some of my other videos because I pretty much do it always the same. I'm not like, I don't know, I don't change it up drastically. In the Shade and Light palette, I'm going to start warming up my cheeks to contour just a teeny bit. I'm just going to take that yellow that's in here and set my under eyes. Then I'm just going to take that amber and give my under eyes like a little warmth. Rim your eye with that alkaline, if I can find it. Who knows what I do with it. On the back of my hand a little bit. And for highlighter, you guys said you wanted Ofra. So this isn't one of their highlighters, it's their eyeshadow. It's called Bliss, but you could use it as both, honestly. I always do. I like to put it where the light hits. And then I'm going to top it with their metallic, and this is in Ready or Not. So this is going to be like a really fun intergalactic feels. There's a woodpecker that pecks on my house. Our house has siding on it, and we have lots of trees in our yard. So I don't know why it chooses plastic over wood. Kind of weird. Some lip liner. So some of my lip liner on. I kind of just put it in, I don't know. I don't cover my whole lips with it, but I kind of just get like a line going, so it's like a coloring book. So fancy. And then I'm gonna take this. I'm so excited to use this baby. It's so pretty. I put this on my Instagram stories when I swatched them, and I was like, whoa. Okay, here we go. Alright, you guys, here is my final look. I hope you guys love it. I really like this style of video. I like to see what you guys choose because I know what I like, but I like to see what you guys like as well. So let me know if you guys like this style video, if you want to see more style videos like this. We can make this like a regular thing because I like getting to know you guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you are so you guys can participate in this. And I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.